What is up, guys? Brian with SoCo Customs. Today we have a 2021 Toyota Tundra with the TRD Pro package. This came to us as an already very capable truck, and we just brought it up a little bit, stanced it out just right for this customer. We sent it up on the Westcott Designs TRD Pro lift kit. This kit will bring that front up 1.5 inches and allow you to clear up to a 35-inch tire. We kept these awesome looking factory TRD Pro wheels, but we went with the 305/70 R18 BF Goodrich KO2s. From the factory, this comes with a 275/70 R18, which is just over a 33-inch tire. And then once all was said and done with the 305s, we're looking at a 34.8-inch tall tire. We figured we would have to do a body mount shop like we do with a lot of these Tundra builds as we start trying to fit 35s underneath, but I think our saving grace was the fact that we went with these stock wheels on there. And you'll notice the custom powder coating that was done by our friends over at Mod Finishes. They powder coated these toe rings. All right, guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, give this video a thumbs up. Give us a subscribe, give us a follow, and we'll see you in the next video.